Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update Google Chrome browser on both your iPhone and your Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, basically there are two different ways to update Google Chrome browser on both Android and iPhone. The first way is to simply head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and then simply search for Google Chrome. And once you have searched it, it will appear in front of you. And if it says update instead of open, you can simply tap on update and your Chrome browser will be updated. But if it says open and you don't have access to the latest features, you can do another thing. You can force update your application by simply heading over to the settings, then tap on general and then iPhone storage. And once you're on this page, you'll have to look for Chrome browser, and once you have found it, tap on it and tap on offload app. And once you have offloaded it, then reinstall the app. Basically it will force update the application to the latest version and you will be able to get access to all the latest features of Google Chrome. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.